I've been testing out the KiwiBit indoor-outdoor security camera for a couple of days, and this might be the simplest camera I've ever used. No fluff, no overcomplication. It just has what you need and it works. The best part of this camera I'm going to get to, but first let's start with what really matters most. Image quality. Shoot in true 2K and it really will show when you watch it back. You get a clean 30-foot visible range and the 3x zoom keeps faces clear enough to make out details. At night you can switch between full color night vision or infrared depending on how much light you've got. Both modes look surprisingly good. And yes, it works with Alexa. For smart features, it's got PIR motion detection that uses a passive infrared sensor to detect small heat changes, so it's reacting to real movement instead of every leaf that blows by. When it detects something, you get an instant alert on your phone, and if someone shouldn't be there, it can fire off a loud siren and bright spotlight to scare them away.
You also get two-way talk, so whether you're telling a delivery driver where to leave a package or yelling at a raccoon, you can do it straight from your phone.
Power-wise, this camera is battery operated, and a single charge can last up to 6 months depending on how busy your area is. If you want zero maintenance, you can add the solar panel and pretty much never touch it again. It's IP65 weatherproof for rain and dust, so you can put it pretty much anywhere: porch, garage, backyard, nursery, wherever you need eyes. It also fits just about any living situation: apartment, house, RV, condo. Start with 1 or 2 cameras, expand later, mix and match setups. Because everything is wireless, it's super flexible. The storage is great too. You can use your own micro SD card up to 512 gigabyte. No forced subscriptions, no hidden fees. And now my favorite part, the mounting system. I saved this for last because it's honestly what won me over. It snaps magnetically onto anything metal. Your fridge, frame, shelf, no drilling. Totally renter friendly, HOA friendly, and perfect for people who rearrange or move often. If you'd rather mount it permanently, it also comes with screws and a stand. Moving it takes literally seconds. So you can mount it here, or here, here, or here. Not here, 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 or here, here, not here, here. Overall, the KiwiBit camera is simple, flexible, and reliable. It does exactly what you need without making setup a project. If you want straightforward home security with zero hassle, this one's worth checking out.